What's up, everybody? How you doing? My name's Jason. Thanks for joining me. Today, we are going to be kind of clearing off a little space to make an above ground garden in the backyard. But at the same time, we're going to be doing a little bit of an extra step and putting down this landscape fabric here. The first step we did was flattening the area that we wanted. We had to scoop out all the gravel out and create this specific rectangle. The shape is kind of irrelevant. It's the shape we chose because we thought it would look nice for our container garden. We flattened it out, we raked it, we tampered it, made it flat as possible, and we're going to put this landscape fabric down now. So for this project, we're going to be using, we just used a rake and a shovel just to clear out the space, kind of whatever tools we had at the house. We've got this Scott's Pro landscape fabric right here. This cost about 18 bucks at Lowe's. We've got these landscape pins right here. I think these are what we're going to use to hold it down. And then we're going to put some rocks over this once we move the chili peppers over. So it should look pretty nice. Hang out with me, guys, as I apply this. Alright guys, so the first thing that I'm doing here is just kind of making sure it's as flat as possible. I hand picked out the little rocks, but didn't take everything out. Just getting the fabric laid down and pinning it in the corners as tightly as I possibly can. You want to make sure that it's as secure as possible for our sake, for a few things, so that weeds don't grow through it and so that gophers don't pop up. Um, so as I roll it out here, I'm just kind of taking these pins and I'm putting it around all the way so it's as tight as it possibly can be. I did only have a certain amount of pins, so I wanted to make sure that I spread it out as much as possible and double used it to kind of layer these two together. So once I had applied it, I took it out and reapplied it for one pin to hold down the two sheets together. It was a great fit for that rectangle that we laid out, and it's really important to make sure the edges are truly as tight as you possibly can get it, even though we were going to put rocks on top and we're going to put our planters on top. We want to make sure that no gophers and or weeds come through it. That's really, really important. All right, so we've got a bunch of rocks kind of just from a different project that are thrown around the yard. We're gonna sit here, grab them, and kind of just toss them on here so we can fill them in.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so we just finished up. We did leave the edges not super crisp because we're going to continue this project outwards. So rather than having to find where the edges are and make them all perfect, it's good enough for our purposes right now, which was trying to get a flat ground, trying to make sure gophers didn't pop up here to eat our peppers. Get these rocks underneath our plants so that they would have good drainage, and now we've got it in the perfect amount of sun for those peppers. So I hope you guys enjoyed this how-to video on how to lay down this weed fabric. So until next time, guys. Ooh, look at that beautiful bird. Half the fun of outside is those birds. Make sure to subscribe, guys, if you haven't already. I do a lot of different stuff. I've got sneaker reviews, how-to videos. There's a spider. I better go inside before I get attacked. Anyways, guys, like, subscribe, have a great day. Peace.